Hello everyone. Are you ready to play the immersive sandbox survival game Vintage Story on your Android device? While it is officially designed for PC, I will show you how to get it running on Android using a few workarounds. So now let's dive in. Now before we start, ensure your Android device has at least 4 gig of RAM and sufficient storage to handle the game. A device with decent specs is recommended for smooth gameplay. Since Vintage Story is a PC game, you will need a tool like Exagear or a similar emulator. Head to the Google Play Store or search online for a safe and reliable APK file to download the emulator. Now once downloaded, install the emulator and grant the necessary permissions. Set it up by linking your game's files folder, which will get into the next step. Visit the official Vintage Story website from your browser and purchase the game if you haven't already. Now download the game files to your PC, then transfer them to your Android device via USB or cloud storage. Now open the emulator and navigate to the folder containing the Vintage Story files. Select the games.exe file and run it within the emulator. Adjust the settings for optimal performance. Now once the game loads, you're all set to start your Vintage Story adventure on Android. Customize your controls for a better gaming experience. And that is how you can play Vintage Story on Android. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.